Hey guys, it is the Green Brick here, and today I have got here a Lego basketball game machine. So this game machine can be played when getting one of the marbles. You could either have one or multiple balls inside of this area, and you need to see if you can get it in the hoop. Just got it in there. It's kind of like a 50% chance when you're trying to shoot it. Yes, got it. I got it. Got it. But yeah, you can actually try trick shots from far away. It's really hard to get trick shots though. But yeah, this is just a simple thing. And now I'm going to show you actually a montage of me building this. Tell me if you guys like this. I could actually build montages for the bigger builds too. Just tell me, okay? Let's do this. Okay, so that was actually not a montage. That's a time lapse. I'm saying the wrong thing, but so this is wow. Okay, I got a nice spot. Okay, this is a very simple. It's just got a hoop here, and you could just toss it in there. I will do a tutorial for this, even actually very soon. Like, I plan to do this because it's so simple. But, yeah, this is just a very simple Lego build. It's really fun, too. So, yeah. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.